today topic is editing toolbar. Okay, editing toolbar. So now first create any suppose rectangle and then midpoint, select here, then choose here, that is the modify toolbar. Okay, modify means after under editing there are a modify. So suppose select here, okay, so this one is modify. First select the dimension and then go to the modify, and you can change as per your requirement. Okay, so now this one is live visible here. Okay, so if you just double click and change the dimension, after that you can see it. But in case of modify dimension, you just regenerate it automatically. Okay, regenerate automatically at the same time. So that is called modify dimension. Okay, next one is mirror. Now this one is not highlighted because there have been not selection anything. So suppose create one line here and suppose choose here one rectangle and then mirror it. So suppose just choose it. So now this one is mirror. Okay, choose it. Now this one is mirror. So that is called mirror. Okay, next one is divide. Okay, divide. Mirror, I can repeat it here. Create one center line and create one any object. So suppose select that object and then go to the mirror and then select that center line. So now this one is mirror. Okay, next one is divide. Suppose select here. So now this one is divide. So select one line and select another line. So suppose select this one and delete it. So now this one is delete. If there is some open figure, so there are a red color source here in Creo. Okay, so that is the main thing. Clear? So that is the divide option. Next is here delete segment. Okay, delete segment. So suppose choose here delete segment. Just click here. So now this one is delete. Okay, so now this one is delete. So that is called delete segment. Next is suppose corner. Okay, corner. So suppose click here this type of lines. Okay, and then here corner. So suppose choose here and choose here. So now this one is corner. Okay, so if you select these two lines, so opposite line will be deleted. Okay, so that is called corner. Next one is suppose create one rectangle here and then choose here rotate this side. So suppose select this rectangle and then go to the rotate this side. So just click here. So now this one is rotate this side. Okay, this one is move, this one is scale, and this one is rotate. So 3 features you can create at a time. So that is called rotate and this side. Okay, 3 features you can create at a time. Okay, so that is the rotate and this side. Next one is vertical. Okay, so vertical, suppose choose here this one, choose here this one, here create one circle here also. So that is a circle. So now we can create here. So that is the suppose how to drag. This one is drag option. Okay, pan. Suppose press the scroll button and you can control anything. Okay, press the scroll button and just move the mouse. So this one is called drag. Okay, if you suppose shift and control and scroll, so now this one is zoom in, zoom out. Control and scroll means zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so suppose create here, this is the vertical. So suppose click here. So now this one is vertical. Okay, suppose create here horizontal. So just choose here. So now this one becomes horizontal. Okay, next suppose this is the perpendicular. Okay, so suppose choose here and choose here. So now this is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular one. This one also perpendicular one side. Okay, so that is the perpendicular. Next one is tangent. Suppose select here and select here. So now this one is the tangent. Okay, so that is the tangent option. So this one is the tangent option. Next one is midpoint. Here midpoint, just click here and click here. So now this one is midpoint. Okay, this one is midpoint. Now suppose here coincident. Okay, coincident means suppose just click here and click here. So 2 points join at a time. So that is called coincident. Okay, coincident. So next one is symmetric. Okay, symmetric. So suppose create here one line here, create here another line here, and create here one central line here. Okay, so now that is the symmetric. Suppose choose here, choose here, and create here. So now this one is symmetric. Okay, so this one is symmetric. Next one is equal. Suppose choose here and choose here. So these two signs means that is the equal length of the line. Okay, equal length of the line. So that is called equal. Next one is parallel. Suppose choose here and choose here. So both are parallel. Okay, both are parallel. So that is parallel. Next one is dimension. Suppose choose here and choose here, and just press the middle button. So now this one dimension is coming here. Suppose if you not given any dimension by default. Okay, so how to call any dimension? This is the dimension. So just 13. So suppose click here 20. So now this one becomes 20. Okay, so now this one becomes 20. So suppose delete all the sketch. How to call the dimension? I will repeat it here. Suppose choose here. Okay, suppose choose here. Okay, so go to the dimension here, just click here and place here. So now just click by to left click and then press the solve button. So 24 becomes 30. So now this one. Okay, this one constant is coming here. So suppose this one is 25. So now this one becomes 25. Okay, so that is the main sketch option you can create here. So that is the dimension option. Okay, so after that this one is the dimension. Then create perimeter. Suppose create one rectangle here, then here perimeter. Suppose select one dimension and then enter. So now this rectangle perimeter is 73.30. Okay, so that is the main dimension you can create here, perimeter. So that is all of the sketch. Okay, so everyone practice as per the timing. This one is the construction mode. Suppose choose here and choose. So now this one is convert to the, suppose create one line here. Okay, and suppose choose here this construction mode on here. So now this one is construction mode. One grid line shows here. Okay, not this one is not treated as a sketch. If construction mode is on, this one is not treated as a sketch. Okay, this one I was created by line, but this one is dotted line. Okay, so this one is not created by a sketch. Okay, so that is the ultimate thing.